Guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Tole's Kitchen. Trust me guys, I always say to stay subscribed to the channel. Guys, you know when I say we are making something now, it is special. This is something you have never seen before. Guys, sit back and relax and let me show you a quick way to make your coconut buns. Have you ever heard of that before? All right, to start with guys, we're making use of our flour, our eggs, our milk flavor, our nutmeg, baking powder, as well as our coconut. Guys, we need the sliced coconuts as well as milk coconut as well. So guys, you want to get that flour into your bowl. For this, I'm using just 3 cups of flour. Now I'm going in with my nutmeg, my milk flavor, and my baking powder. I know you're about to ask me, what is the measurement? Trust me, I got you covered. Don't worry, I will drop the description of all the measurements of the ingredients in the description box down below. Just look down below. Yes, there you have it. So guys, I'm going in with my sugar now, and please, Auntie Mercy, please check the description box down below. I trust you to check it, please and please, just to make the process very fast. And trust me when I say these ingredients are easily fetched and they're simple to make, trust me. Now you want to give this a good stir after adding all your dry ingredients together. Just add your nutmeg, your milk flavor, your baking powder, your sugar. Simple ingredients, you see. Now let's go on. So after that, after it is well mixed, now you want to break your eggs. Now we're going to be using 2 eggs. Mind you, just 2 eggs. If you're following the measurement I used here, you want to mix 2 eggs together. Make sure to mix it very well. And just in case your eggs is on the large side, you can as well go ahead to use that 2 eggs no matter the amount. Just make sure you're using 2 eggs if you're following my measurements. And guys, just a reminder for you to hit that subscribe button down below. It's on your right. Just look at your right hand side. I beg you, look at your right hand side and subscribe to the channel, okay? Thank you. So guys, you want to create a center in your flour, and then you want to send your egg into it. Make sure your eggshell doesn't get into the flour, in order not to sight eggshells in your coconut buns, because trust me, we don't want to be seeing eggshells inside our coconut buns, because this is a special recipe. So guys, just follow the process of this. You know, when you're making the normal buns, you can make it how you know it before, but this is coconut buns, guys. Yummy. So guys, you want to carefully mix that very well. Make sure that the egg is well mixed. Mix it very well into your flour, and voila. Just take your time to mix it, because nobody's rushing us. Of course, we are in the kitchen. You want to take your time. Yep. So now here is time to introduce your sliced coconut. Just get it into small chunk as you want it. If you want it to be in the long form, you can just chop it as you want. Okay, do your thing. Just make sure to slice it nicely, and then make sure it is not too big. Then get it into your flour. And guys, before now, I already made my coconut milk. I just blended it and I extracted the milky part, and then I got it into my flour mixture. So guys, I didn't use water at all to make this. I actually used only coconut milk. Oof. You can imagine this, the way this snacks is going to really taste so nice. Coconut buns is, oh god, I can't wait to taste this. But guys, I do use water, so just coconut milk, use it and you're good to go. Yeah, now here is time for you to heat your pan, and let's fry already. Just heat your pan, get your oil into your pan on medium heat. Make sure it is not too hot, just to avoid it from burning. So now that my oil is hot, now I can proceed to getting the butter in the pan. So just make sure to get the form nicely and do your thing, like I always say. Make sure your cooker is on medium heat to avoid it from burning. Remember, guys, if you've watched to this level, what are you still waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button now. It's by your right. I'll tell you where it is, oh, don't worry. It's just by your right, hand side. Just look down. Hit that button. Thank you very much. Because you just subscribe to getting a lot of new recipes from me. I know you're tired of all old recipes, and now I am going to be giving you guys new recipes that you guys can try out to avoid you being boring in your kitchen. Trust me, we don't want to be boring in the kitchen, because I know I don't, and I know you don't want to. So guys, just subscribe to that channel so we can have a good time, and you can get different nice recipes, new latest recipes that you guys can actually try out, and it's really delicious, no stressing, and mouth-watering. Guys, please subscribe to this channel so you can get all new delicious recipes to avoid you from being boring in your kitchen. If you don't want to be boring in the kitchen, you got to subscribe to this channel, because this is the right channel, trust me. So guys, you want to make sure to turn your buns when it is golden brown. Make sure to turn, allow it to cook on both sides, and get it off the pan immediately to avoid it from burning. Okay, so after you have this nice look, you can get it off your pan, allow it to drain off, allow the excess oil to drain off, and then there you have it, guys. And voila, our coconut buns is ready. Guys, you definitely want to try this out. Trust me, if you've never, I repeat, never tried out any of my recipes, tell me, you guys, why you won't be trying this, because this is so delicious, guys. Oh, I wish I could give you guys a taste from this camera. Be sure to give this a try. See you next time. Bye.
Just so you know that there is an inner chef in you waiting to unleash its creativity. Welcome to my culinary world. Trust you want to join me as we embark on a long journey to savor the magic of food and ignite our passion for cooking like never before. My fellow food enthusiasts, we go again on a gastronomic journey. And here is Tele's Kitchen, a trove of culinary delight. Bon appetit.